In this video, I will be showing you how to update, adjust and utilize the labour rates in your EstimatorXpress. As you may imagine, having accurate estimates starts with having accurate labour prices. So let's get started. To edit the prices, we begin by going to the top left hand corner to the area marked Library, clicking on the down arrow, clicking on the arrow beside the price books, click on the master price book arrow and select labour. This will then open the labour price book for us, as you can see. Now that we're in the price book, I'll show you how to create a brand new labourer, to edit an existing labourer, and how to alter entire lists of labourers at the same time. To alter an individual labourer is a very simple and straightforward process. We simply click on the labourer that we'd like to alter, so you can see it's highlighted there, click on Edit Resource, and up will pop this screen. And this will allow us to look at any item that we have, any labourer that we need, and we can adjust the prices as we need. To adjust an existing labourer, it's simply a case of selecting the labourer that you like, such as the bricklayer that I've selected here. We click on Edit Resource, unclick the Update with Download price, and select the price that we'd like to add into the labourer's rate as we speak. So if I put in £35 here, I've now adjusted that into the software. So next time that labourer is used, it will be costing at the £35. I've adjusted from 33. Now that I've shown you how to edit an existing labourer, I'll show you how to create new labour for the software. One of the best things that you can do is select an item that is similar to the labour that you're looking to add into software. What I'll do today is look to add 3 bricklayers and a mate. To do that, I'll select something that's similar. So here we have it, 2 bricklayers and a mate. So all we need to do is click on it so it's highlighted, as you can see. Click New Resource, because what the software will do is it'll make a copy of that. I then delete away the copy part, so that's why we don't need that as part of the option. I'll delete that away, and I'll add in 3 instead of the 2 labourers there. And of course we know that a brickie is costing us £35 and a mate is 22. So with a little mental arithmetic, it's 35 times 2 times 3 in fact, so that's, what's that, 105. So we've got the 105 plus 22, 105 plus 22 gives us 127. So into the unit cost, we simply type in 127, there we go. And then we have the 3 labourers and a mate. Once we're happy, we click OK. And there we have the 3 bricklayers and a mate. That's now added in the software and ready for use for your estimates. The software also allows you to adjust all the resources en masse. This saves you having to alter prices individually. And to do that, all we do is go to the Editing Tools option here at the top. We select Edit Prices, and you'll see the boxes.
Now notice the purchase price column has become available.
Purchase price has all been adjusted.
This allows you to adjust all of the labourers' prices available in the price book one by one, simply by clicking the box there.
You can alter anything in these price boxes.
This means you can update the labour price book quickly and easily and effectively, with a minimum of fuss. Once you've completed editing the prices, you simply go to Save Edited Changes. It will ask, do you want to save the changes that you've made? And of course, assuming that you're happy, you select yes, and those adjusted prices that you've done will have been completed. One thing that I should say, it's important to make note of, that any edits that you make to obviously individuals do not automatically make those changes to groups, such as your 2 bricklayers and a mate, 3 bricklayers and a mate, and so on. You do need to individually adjust those prices so it is reflected in the software. That is very important to note. It's not automatically doing that for you. Another important aspect that is important to note is this screen also allows you to create labourers that aren't in software by default. So if you do any specialist trades, you can of course add them in at this point. So if you have a specialist tiler, a specialist electrician that does special work that a standard Sparky that doesn't do himself, you can actually add it here and then use later on in the specifications. Indeed, all the prices that we adjust and add here will need to be updated in the specifications of the software. This will be shown in other videos, indeed, in terms of how to adjust the labour and how to have it used and costed into the jobs that you do. Finally, before I conclude the video here, I should note that the mass editing tools of course allows you to edit costly wastage, VAT and any adjustments that you need quickly and easily en masse using the same tools that we use for editing the prices. So the software has built in the tools allowing you to adjust your prices, your wastage, your VAT, any adjustments quickly and easily. And essentially that is how you use the tools for the labour price book to quickly and easily update the prices for your labour in the software. Thanks for watching.